Social and economic impact of COVID-19. We are facing a global health crisis unlike any. One that is killing people, spreading human suffering and impacting people's lives. But this is much more than a health crisis. It is a human, economic and social crisis. The coronavirus disease, COVID-19, which has been characterized as a pandemic by the World Health Organization, is attacking societies at their core. The COVID-19 pandemic has had far-reaching consequences beyond the spread of the disease itself and efforts to quarantine it. Let us look into some of the social and economic impacts of the current pandemic. COVID-19 pandemic has affected the very fabric of our society, right from personal gatherings to religion to health. The social impacts of this pandemic are varied. We will be focusing on three areas that have borne the brunt of this pandemic. Education, migrant workers, mental and physical health.
Education. The coronavirus pandemic has severely impacted different levels of education in many ways. Schools and universities have abruptly shut down and have taken up platforms like Zoom for education. Some of the positive impacts are the following: students are able to manage their time more efficiently. Secondly, the pandemic has led to a new era of online education, which has encouraged all students and teachers to be more tech savvy. Moreover, doors have been opened for a major transformation in the area of curriculum development. For example, our school has taken up education through several fun webinars. Education of students has also suffered in some cases. Classes have been suspended, exams at different levels have been postponed, and the admission process has been delayed. At the start, most students and teachers weren't ready for this transition, and some did not even have the means to attend classes. Now, even though we have transitioned to online learning, we have made immense progress. Many schools have adjusted to this virtual learning platform and are now successfully conducting online tests, Google Form quizzes, and Zoom meetings.
Impact on migrant workers. The COVID 19 pandemic has had a severe impact on the migrant workers. The migrant workers were left jobless and homeless due to the pandemic and the nationwide lockdown. The workers had nowhere to go in the lockdown. This resulted in a protest by the laborers, after which the government arranged facilities for the laborers to return to their native places. However, the problem still persists. As we are in the unlock phase of the lockdown and businesses are slowly restoring, many laborers are still in their native places. They have lost their job and have nowhere to go. They need help. The problem cycle of migrant workers. The increase in COVID 19 infection led to the lockdown and businesses shutting down. The workers were removed from jobs and they were left with no money. They were unable to pay house rentals and thus they tried to get back home, but unfortunately, the public transport facilities were closed. Thus, the workers overcrowded private transport such as trucks and other vehicles, and they also protested in large numbers against the government. These actions again led to the increase in COVID 19 infection and a rise in the problem.
The COVID 19 pandemic and the subsequent quarantine has been detrimental for everyone's mental and physical health. Mentally, factors like isolation and fearing the loss of income has led to the development of many issues such as depression, anxiety, and insomnia. The mental health of children has also been affected. This is due to the absence of a structured school environment, essential for their social growth and mental stimulation. A few ways to curb these effects are by setting a routine, having a proper sleep pattern, talking to others, and by taking time to exercise and pursue hobbies. The pandemic's effects on people's physical health have been caused due to everyone's current sedentary lifestyle. This can lead to problems such as obesity and also helps make the virus more harmful to the body. Eating a healthy and balanced diet, avoiding unhealthy stuff like sodas, alcohol, and smoking, and exercising routinely ought to help one stay healthy, as this improves the body's immunity and keeps it active.
As the SARS-CoV-2 virus has spread around the globe, concerns have shifted from supply-side manufacturing issues to decreased business in the services sector. The pandemic caused the largest global recession in history, with more than a third of the global population being placed under lockdown at the same time. Let us observe three areas that have been affected by COVID-19 the most. Tourism, loss of jobs, industries,
Travel has been harshly affected as a result of the pandemic. Many countries have imposed restrictions for citizens of their countries as well as global restrictions that apply to all foreign countries. Together with a decreased willingness to travel, these restrictions have had a negative economic impact on the travel sector in these countries. Although most impacts of this pandemic have been negative on the tourism industry, it may prove to help the industry on a long term. New concepts such as workation and staycation have emerged as a consequence of this pandemic. Workation involves going on a trip paid for by the company but working while on vacation. Hence, although the current situation of the tourism industry seems to be distressing, they can certainly expect a better future.
The coronavirus induced lockdown has affected jobs adversely. About 5 million salaried people lost their jobs in July, the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy said. On a net basis, the plight of salaried employees has worsened since the lockdown began. Can you imagine? In April, they lost 17.7 million jobs. While salaried jobs are not lost easily, once they are lost, they're also far more difficult to retrieve, showed statistics. Small traders, hawkers, and daily wage laborers were the worst hit by the lockdown of April. Of the 121.5 million jobs lost in that month, about 91.2 million were among these. As the nation has started reopening in a phased manner from June, the jobs have started to come back, but the recovery was largely in informal jobs, the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy said.
Impact of COVID-19 on industries. The lockdown due to the coronavirus impacted the workforce capacity of industries and also disrupted the supply chain, bringing the economy to a standstill. Some positive and negative effects are as follows. First, textile industry faced various problems such as the production, raw silk prices, transportation, non-availability of skilled workers, reduced orders, etc. Second, China accounts for 75 and 85% of total value of components in TVs and smartphones respectively. There was a 15 to 20 days delay in the supply. Third, Surat diamond industry faced a loss of 8,000 crore rupees as Hong Kong, a major export destination, declared a state of emergency. Fourth, the gaming industry has seen a substantial rise post-lockdown. Healthcare tech startups have improved their reach through apps like Zoom, Google Meets, etc. A pie chart on key challenges faced by the industry sector, an estimated number of employees working in the industries during COVID times.
Despite all the negativity due to COVID-19, we have helped each other and shown compassion in these trying times. Some of the measures we as a community have taken include paying our staff even during lockdown, helping senior citizens by getting groceries, etc. for them, arranging vegetable and fruit vendors for our housing societies, and above all, abiding by all the rules laid down by the government and being responsible citizens. It is easy to lose our hopes and brood over the negative side effects of any event, especially when as a community we are battling a global pandemic. But for every low, there is a high, and it's true even for this current scenario. We are going to survive this, and when we do, it will be a different world that would be waiting for us. Thank you for watching.